Hello guys, this is Gaurav Agarwal with Stock Traders Academy and I'd like to welcome you all to a brand new video. Today we are going to talk about another IPO that is coming up in the series of IPOs that have come up in this IPO season. The IPO that we are going to talk about today is Macrotech Developers Limited IPO, which is also known as Loda Developers. Incorporated in 1995, Macrotech Developers, formerly known as Loda Developers, is the largest real estate developer in India. The company is primarily engaged in affordable residential real estate development, and in 2019 it entered into the development of logistics and industrial parks and also develops commercial real estate. Some of the company's affordable and mid-income housing projects you can check on screen itself. Company generates maximum revenue from this segments, as in the fiscal 2020 the revenue from this segment accounted for 58%. Under the logistic and industrial park portfolio, it has planned to develop an industrial park of over 800 acres of land near Palava. However, the commercial real estate portfolio includes projects like corporate offices, IT campuses, and boutique office spaces. As on December 31st, 2020, the firm has successfully completed 91 projects comprising 77 million square feet of developable area, with 59 million square feet in the affordable housing segment itself. If we talk about the company's strengths are this is the largest residential real estate developer in India. It has a strong sales distribution network across India as well as NRI markets, that is GCC, UK, Singapore, and US. It offers brand equity and premium pricing. It has a strong project execution capability, and it has a very experienced management team as well. You can check out the company's promoters' names on the screen itself, and they are Abhishek Mangal Prabhat Loda, Rajendra Narpatmal Loda, Sambhavnath Infrabuild, Sambhavnath Trust. If we talk about the company's financials, you can notice that company's assets, revenue, and profit after tax was continuously increasing in the years 2018 and 19. But due to COVID in the year 2020, company's assets, revenue, and profit after tax has taken a hit, and in December 2020, company has posted a loss around 2,643 millions. Company has also adjusted an EBITDA margin of 29.9 to 30.5%. Now let's talk about the objects of the issue. The objects of the issue are: the IPO aims to raise money for the following purposes: to reduce aggregate outstanding borrowings of the company on consolidated basis, to acquire land or land development rights, to meet general corporate purposes. Now let's talk about the Loda Developers IPO details. The opening date is April 7th, the closing date is April 9th, the IPO price is 483 to 486 rupees. The minimum order quantity is 30 shares, and the listing is going to be on BSE and NSE both, and the issue size is approximately 2500 crore rupees. If we talk about the timetable of the IPO itself, the IPO opens on April 7th, it closes on April 9th, the basis of allotment is going to be on April 16th, initiation of refunds is going to be April 19th, and credit shares to demat account is going to be April 20th, and IPO listing is going to be on the April 22nd itself. Now let's talk about the Loda Developers IPO market. Lot size is of 30 shares. A retail individual investor can apply for up to 13 lots, which is of 390 shares, and the value is going to be 1,89,540. It is best for a retail investor to apply for one lot only, which is of 30 shares, and it is going to be costing around 14,580 rupees. If you look at company's financials, the company has recently posted a loss, which has been because of the corona. Otherwise, Loda Developers are India's biggest developers, and they cater to all segments and are fundamentally a very strong as well. As far as my opinion is concerned, I am going to be applying in this IPO, and you can also tell me about your opinion in the comment box. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you will get all the notifications about the new videos. We'll see you soon with another video like this. Till then, take care and bye bye.